Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise, making it a great option for anyone looking to lose weight. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're looking for a low-impact way to burn calories, walking can fit easily into your daily routine. In this video, we'll explore how walking can help you achieve weight loss results, discuss the best techniques, and share practical tips to maximize your efforts. Let's begin by understanding why walking is so effective and how you can make the most out of every step. Walking offers numerous benefits beyond just weight loss. It improves cardiovascular health, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. Regular walking can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension. It's also a great way to clear your mind and relieve stress. By incorporating walking into your daily routine, you're not only working towards your weight loss goals, but also enhancing your overall well-being. Let's look at how walking specifically aids in burning calories and shedding pounds. The number of calories you burn while walking depends on several factors, including your weight, walking speed, and duration. On average, a person weighing 155 pounds burns about 150 calories during a 30-minute brisk walk. Increasing your pace or walking uphill can help you burn even more. Tracking your steps and calories can motivate you to stay consistent and push yourself further. Let's explore how to set realistic goals for your walking routine to maximize weight loss. Setting clear and achievable goals is key to seeing results from your walking routine. Start by determining how many steps or minutes you want to walk each day. Many experts recommend aiming for at least 10,000 steps daily, but even smaller goals can be effective if you're consistent. Use a pedometer or smartphone app to track your progress. Gradually increase your distance or speed as your fitness improves. Having a goal keeps you motivated and helps you measure your success. Comfortable and supportive shoes are essential for a successful walking routine. Wearing the right footwear helps prevent injuries and makes your walks more enjoyable. Look for shoes with good arch support, cushioning, and a proper fit. Replace your walking shoes regularly, especially if you notice signs of wear. Investing in quality shoes can make a big difference in your walking experience and help you stay committed to your weight loss journey. Using the correct walking technique can help you burn more calories and avoid injuries. Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, keep your head up, and swing your arms naturally. Take brisk steps, landing on your heel and rolling forward to your toes. Maintain a steady pace and focus on your breathing. Practicing good form makes your walks more effective and enjoyable. Next, let's discuss how to incorporate intervals for better results. Interval walking involves alternating between periods of brisk walking and slower, recovery-paced walking. This method boosts calorie burn and improves cardiovascular fitness. For example, walk briskly for 2 minutes, then slow down for 1 minute and repeat. Intervals keep your routine interesting and challenge your body in new ways. Incorporating intervals can help you break through plateaus and accelerate weight loss. Let's see how to plan your walking intervals effectively. To plan effective walking intervals, decide on the duration and intensity for each segment. Beginners might start with 1-minute brisk walks, followed by 2-minute recovery walks. As you progress, increase the brisk interval or decrease the recovery time. Use a timer or app to keep track. Intervals can be customized to fit your fitness level and goals. Consistency is key, so stick to your plan and adjust as needed for continued progress. Walking uphill or on inclined surfaces increases the intensity of your workout and burns more calories. It also strengthens your legs and glutes. If you have access to hills or stairs, incorporate them into your routine. Start with short inclines and gradually increase the difficulty. Uphill walking challenges your muscles and helps you achieve faster weight loss results. Let's explore how to safely add hills to your walks. When walking uphill, pay attention to your form and pace. Lean slightly forward, keep your steps short, and use your arms for balance. Wear supportive shoes and watch for uneven surfaces. If you're new to hills, start slow and build up gradually. Listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Safety is important, so always be mindful of your surroundings and stay hydrated during your walks. Adding light hand weights or wearing a weighted vest can increase the intensity of your walks and help you burn more calories. Start with small weights to avoid strain. Carrying weights engages your upper body and boosts your metabolism. However, it's important to use proper form and avoid swinging the weights excessively. Gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable. Let's discuss how to safely incorporate weights into your walking routine. When walking with weights, maintain good posture and avoid overloading your body. Keep your arms bent and close to your sides. If using a weighted vest, ensure it fits snugly and doesn't restrict movement. Start with short walks and gradually increase duration. Stop immediately if you feel pain or discomfort. Safety should always come first, so listen to your body and consult a professional if you're unsure about using weights. Walking outdoors exposes you to various weather conditions. Dress appropriately for the season, wear layers in cold weather and light, breathable clothing in the heat, use sunscreen, and stay hydrated during summer walks. In rainy conditions, choose waterproof shoes and a light jacket. If the weather is extreme, consider walking indoors at a gym or mall. Adapting to different weather ensures you stay consistent and safe. Indoor walking is a great alternative when outdoor conditions aren't ideal. You can walk on a treadmill, around your home, or at a shopping mall. Treadmills allow you to adjust speed and incline for a customized workout. Walking indoors keeps you safe from harsh weather and helps you maintain your routine. It's also a convenient option for busy schedules or those with mobility concerns. Tracking your walking progress helps you stay motivated and see tangible results. Use a pedometer, fitness tracker, or smartphone app to record your steps, distance, and calories burned. Reviewing your data can help you set new goals and celebrate milestones. Consistent tracking encourages accountability and keeps you focused on your weight loss journey. Let's look at some popular tools for tracking your walks. There are many tools available to help you track your walking progress. Fitness trackers like Fitbit and Apple Watch offer step counts, heart rate monitoring, and calorie tracking. Smartphone apps such as Strava and Map My Walk provide detailed statistics and route mapping. Choose a tool that fits your needs and preferences. Tracking your walks makes it easier to stay consistent and motivated. Walking with friends or family can make your routine more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. Group walks provide motivation, support, and a chance to socialize. You can set shared goals, encourage each other, and celebrate achievements together. Walking with others also adds variety and keeps you engaged. If you prefer solo walks, listening to music or podcasts can make the experience more fun. If you prefer walking alone, there are plenty of ways to stay motivated. Create a playlist of your favorite songs or listen to podcasts during your walks. Set personal goals and reward yourself for reaching milestones. Enjoy the opportunity to clear your mind and reflect. Solo walking can be a peaceful and empowering experience, helping you focus on your own progress and well-being. Walking isn't just good for your body, it's also beneficial for your mind. Regular walks can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. The rhythmic movement and fresh air help clear your thoughts and boost your mood. Walking in nature or green spaces enhances these effects even more. Incorporating walking into your routine supports both physical and mental health, making it a holistic approach to weight loss. Walking in parks, forests, or along trails provides a refreshing change of scenery and enhances your walking experience. Nature walks offer additional mental health benefits, such as reduced stress and improved mood. The sights and sounds of nature make your walks more enjoyable and encourage you to stay active. If possible, explore different outdoor locations to keep your routine interesting and motivating. Walking is suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's a low-impact exercise that can be easily adapted to individual needs. Children, adults, and seniors can all benefit from regular walks. Encourage family members to join you and make walking a fun, shared activity. Adjust the pace and duration to fit everyone's abilities. Walking together promotes health and strengthens relationships. If you're new to walking for weight loss, start slow and gradually build up your routine. Begin with short walks and increase the duration as your stamina improves. Focus on consistency rather than speed. Use comfortable shoes and pay attention to your form. Don't worry about pace at first, just aim to walk regularly. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your fitness and weight loss results. For those looking to intensify their walking routine, try advanced techniques such as power walking, speed intervals, or walking with resistance bands. Power walking involves a faster pace and exaggerated arm movements. Speed intervals alternate between fast and moderate walking. Resistance bands add extra challenge to your muscles. These techniques can help you burn more calories and achieve faster weight loss results. Power walking is a technique that involves walking at a faster pace with strong arm movements. Keep your elbows bent and swing your arms vigorously. Take longer strides and push off with your toes. Power walking increases your heart rate and burns more calories than regular walking. It's a great way to challenge yourself and boost your weight loss efforts. Using resistance bands during your walks adds an extra challenge for your muscles. Attach the bands to your wrists or ankles and perform simple exercises as you walk. Resistance bands help tone your arms and legs while increasing calorie burn. Start with light resistance and gradually increase as you get stronger. Always use proper form to avoid injury and maximize benefits. The pace and intensity of your walk play a significant role in weight loss. Brisk walking, typically defined as 3 to 4 miles per hour, burns more calories than a leisurely stroll. Aim for a pace that makes you slightly breathless but still able to hold a conversation. Increasing intensity by walking faster or adding hills helps you achieve better results. Monitor your heart rate to ensure you're working within a safe range. Monitoring your heart rate during walks helps you gauge intensity and ensure you're burning calories efficiently. Use a fitness tracker or smartwatch to check your heart rate. Aim for a moderate intensity zone, typically 5, 0, 70% of your maximum heart rate. Staying within this range maximizes fat burning and supports weight loss. Adjust your pace as needed to stay in the optimal zone. The duration of your walks is important for achieving weight loss results. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Longer walks burn more calories and improve endurance. If you're short on time, break your walks into shorter sessions throughout the day. Consistency is more important than duration, so focus on making walking a regular habit. Consistency is the most important factor in achieving weight loss through walking. Make walking a daily habit, even if it's just a short stroll. Set a schedule and stick to it. Over time, consistent walking leads to lasting results and improved health. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Every step counts toward your goals. Let's discuss how to overcome common obstacles to consistency. Life can get busy, and obstacles may arise that disrupt your walking routine. Plan ahead by scheduling walks at convenient times. If you miss a session, don't give up. Just get back on track the next day. Find creative ways to fit walking into your day, such as taking the stairs or parking farther from your destination. Staying flexible and persistent helps you maintain consistency and reach your weight loss goals. Walking alone can help with weight loss, but combining it with healthy nutrition accelerates your results. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Staying hydrated is also important. Eating well supports your energy levels and enhances the benefits of your walking routine. Proper hydration is essential for effective walking and weight loss. Drink water before, during, and after your walks. Carry a water bottle, especially on longer walks or in hot weather. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and reduce performance. Staying hydrated keeps you energized and helps your body burn calories efficiently. Rest and recovery are important parts of any exercise routine, including walking. Allow your body time to recover by taking rest days or alternating walking with other activities. Stretch before and after your walks to prevent muscle soreness. Listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Proper rest ensures you stay healthy and motivated for long-term weight loss success. Stretching is essential for walkers to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Focus on stretching your calves, hamstrings, and hip flexors. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and avoid bouncing. Stretching before and after walks helps your muscles recover and prepares your body for activity. Incorporate regular stretching into your routine for optimal results. Once you've reached your weight loss goals, walking remains a valuable tool for maintaining your results. Continue your routine with regular walks and adjust your pace or duration as needed. Walking helps prevent weight regain and supports overall health. Make it a lifelong habit to enjoy lasting benefits. Walking is not just about weight loss, it's a powerful activity for overall health. It improves heart health, strengthens muscles, and boosts immune function. Regular walking lowers the risk of chronic diseases and enhances quality of life. By making walking a part of your daily routine, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. Regular walking can improve your sleep quality and help you feel more rested. Physical activity promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Try walking in the morning or early evening to support your sleep cycle. Avoid vigorous walks right before bedtime. Good sleep is essential for weight loss and overall health. Walking is a natural stress reliever. The rhythmic movement and fresh air help calm your mind and reduce tension. Walking outdoors, especially in green spaces, enhances relaxation. Make walking a part of your stress management routine to support both mental and physical health. Walking helps maintain and improve mobility, especially as you age. It strengthens joints, increases flexibility, and supports balance. Regular walking reduces the risk of falls and keeps you active. If you have mobility challenges, start with short, gentle walks and gradually increase as you feel comfortable. Walking is a heart-healthy activity that improves circulation and lowers blood pressure. It helps manage cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease. Aim for regular, brisk walks to maximize cardiovascular benefits. Walking is a simple yet effective way to support your heart health and overall well-being. Regular walking helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It improves insulin sensitivity and supports healthy weight management. Aim for consistent, brisk walks to maximize benefits. Walking is an accessible way to support diabetes prevention and overall health. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise that strengthens bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. It helps maintain bone density and supports joint health. Regular walking is especially important for older adults. Combine walking with a healthy diet rich in calcium and vitamin D for optimal bone health. Studies show that regular walking can increase lifespan and improve quality of life. It supports physical, mental, and emotional health. Walking daily helps you stay active, independent, and engaged. Make walking a lifelong habit to enjoy lasting benefits and greater longevity. Walking is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. By setting goals, using proper technique, and staying consistent, you can achieve lasting results. Incorporate intervals, hills, and advanced techniques to boost calorie burn. Combine walking with healthy nutrition, hydration, and rest for optimal success. Remember, every step counts toward your goals. Walking for weight loss is simple, effective, and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or advanced walker, the key is consistency and making walking a regular part of your life. Enjoy the physical and mental benefits, and remember that progress comes with time. Stay motivated, keep moving, and celebrate your achievements as you walk your way to better health and weight loss results.